Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're going to fill out these two if blocks for if the difficulty equals medium and hard within the spawn enemies function. Now we can copy all the code we put in our last lesson. Remember to get the one close bracket here. And we'll hit copy and we'll paste it into medium and into hard. Now we're lucky in this sense because, where are we? There we go. We only need to change this one variable, so returned medium enemy. And I will at a later date come back and show you how to do a mix of enemies, but we'll just spawn the one for now. And we need to change it in this one to return to hard enemy. And we'll change it in the comments. So let's save that off now. And we're going to come to the enemy spawn point manager. Just forgot one line of code in the void start. And we're going to set current enemy spawn to equal 0. We'll close that line off. Into the comments, set current enemies spawned to 0 on start up. And let's save that off there. So let's have a look. There's one error. I must have missed something. So let's come down. Oh, here we go. Must have just caught a key, but we'll fix that. We'll let it recompile. So let's come to our prefabs for the spawn points. And in fact, we'll come to add component scripts and we'll add the enemy spawn point script. And we go add component. So that's the final one for now. And we'll come to resources. Now I'll just create a cube. Again, we are going to bring our old enemy model from our previous build into this new one for now, but I've just created a cube. I've duplicated it twice and we'll just say easy enemy. And we'll just keep going. And finally for the hardest enemy, so hard enemy. We'll just drag and drop those into the resources folder. And then we'll delete those. So as I say, these are just for testing. One more thing, let's come back to the spawn point script. I'm just going to set the spawn layer to everything for now. Well, we'll have some more code for that, but again, just for testing. And let's hit play. Now, all my spawn points at the minute, I've just left them spawning the easy enemies. So let's just now come to the console. Let's clear that down. And as you can see, we're in waiting for player to come into range. And obviously I've not set an audio clip, so And here are our enemies that have spawned. Obviously there's no physics, that's why they're floating at the moment, they are just blank cubes. But as you can see, we're now spawning quite a lot of enemies, so we know it works. And again, we'll just clear that down. We'll come back to project, and I think it's in, where did I put it? I will have to come back, yeah, so I have some more code for the audio, but we're not worried about that now. We'll do that probably in the next lesson, actually. But I'm just going to change this, so we should have one that's set to easy now, medium and hard. So we should get a nice mix. So what we'll probably do again later on is set like the easy spawn point will spawn mostly easy enemies. Maybe we can have one or two medium enemies mixed in, and the same for the other two. Will just so we can get a little bit more variety. But like I said, this is just for testing for now. Let's just get something up and working. So they're spawning in, and here we go. So we have a nice mix now. We've been able to set. I know it does look quite weird just spawning a bunch of blocks in the air, but as you can see, I have the randomization. And we'll stop that there. So yeah, there's still plenty to do on this. We need a way of being able to grab our audio clip. So yes, because we've made it static and then we're just calling it, so we don't have to assign it for every spawn point, so that will take some more code. We'll need to bring in the previous model, and we'll need to add some variety to what each spawn point is instantiating, but it is working. We'll leave it here for this video, and we'll pick this up in the very next lesson. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.